Today we are going to be playing Slime Rancher. I don't know which part it is. I'm sorry that I haven't posted in like weeks. I've just been busy. So, I'm so very sorry. So let's get into this. Let's play this. Let's do this. They're like, okay. Loading in. Boop, boop. Okay. So, we're here. Oh my gosh. You're hungry, bro. Get back in your thing. You guys are hungry? Where's the food? Give me all the carrots. Thank you. Hey guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so... Okay, you just... What is this? What? I think you're supposed to be in here. I'm just gonna... You dare. Get out. Wait, we already have rocks, so you're illegal. You're illegal. Yay. What? What achievement is that? Fireworks? What is that? What's fireworks? Let's see. Where are you, fireworks? Oh, fireworks, there you are. Shoot a boom slime largo into the air that explodes before landing. Well, I don't know why they have that as achievement, but I like them having that as an achievement. Get back in there, bro. Ow, stop killing me. You die. There was another firework. Oh, I wish there was like a gold firework thing where it's like 5 times. So we need a place to put these guys. But first we need to get big time floors. Since why, how, and where are you escaping? How, why, and where are you escaping? Stop killing me. I have rock floors. I need a lot of money so I can get high walls on those boom slimes. Because if there's an achievement for fireworks, that means they shoot up into the air. So that means we're going to need higher walls. So they don't go boom boom and then they literally just, I don't know. Why are you here? No! I keep doing fireworks. How are you getting out? How are you getting out? What is happening? Okay, let's go. I ran into a wall. Let's go. Floors. And then tabby floors. I'm sure we have enough for high walls now. So let's do it. Yep, high walls. Now you guys can come in here. What should I merge you with? I don't know. But one thing's for certain, not rock. Go! Just stop. Dude, just stop. What are you doing? Go! What should we merge them with? I wish they could merge with Puddle Slimes. That would just be like cute. That would literally just be cute. They could merge with Puddle Slimes. Imagine a honey Puddle Slime. Okay, you guys are here. Eat it. See, they can't merge. They can't merge. When? Here. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Do we buy anything in here? We cannot. All we need is million money right now. Stop it! Die! Oh my. Could you go through that wall? Can you go through that wall? Can you go through it? No, you can't! Stop killing me. I'm going to kill you. I am going to get rid of you. Goodbye! Oh my gosh, that was a nuisance. And one of you already escaped. Come here! You little rascals! Oh my gosh. How much does this cost? Oof. Oh my gosh, that is a lot. Mochi Mouse, what do you want? I don't have Hunter. And I'm not doing anything with boob slabs right now because they keep escaping. And I literally just knocked one into the ocean. So you do know that I'm not having a good time with boom slimes right now. So just get clobbered by slime. Look, a little crown. Hello. I have a little crown. Come here. You stay there. I think I'm gonna merge the boom with the honey. I don't know what this is going to do, and I have no clue what is going to happen. Oh, you're the good one, right? The rest of you are going to go pew, 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 pew. Whee! Now you come here. Can you put slimes in here? You can't. Come here. You will be hanging out with me, honey slime. And now we just have to... I love you. I love you. I love you. Merge everything with honey. They have a crown. Literally merge everything with honey. They have a crown. They literally have a crown. Bro. They have a crown. Ow. So I need to feed these guys. Fruit. So I'm gonna go get some pogo berries. I think that's what you call them. Pogo fruits. Yeah, they call Slimies! They're my pogo fruits, not yours. Well, they kind of are yours. Here, I'll leave one, and then battle royale. Battle royale. Who will get it? Oh, when this guy gets it, you're so lucky. You could have those carrots. I have infinite. And you look so good. You have literally a golden crown. And same with my little buddy. He has a golden crown. He has a... Stop. Look at me. You have a shiny golden crown. How would you be embarrassed showing your good and shiny gold crown? Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Oh, that's... So now let's see. Boom. But are they gonna change if it... Look, it's the boom sign with the little crown. Whoa! Okay, there's too many. Get the rest out. Get the rest, get the rest, get the rest. Get the rest out. Ah, there's too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're like dark. I don't like that. So you have to go. I'm sorry. You could just be over there. I know. Go to your slime home. No! Wait, what? He bounced off. He was like, wee! Okay, now go to your slime home. Wee! No! I picked all of them up there. I was like, what? Here. Wee. Boom. 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 We drop it down. Yeah. It's like drop it down. Oh my gosh, this guy's frozen. He's like, what? Are those pig slimes eating the honey slimes? Don't ask me. I'm going to bed. Okay. Turn into the ranch. And everybody's drooling like they're super, super hot. Well, I'll fix you right up. Yeah, there you go. You don't like veggies? And here we go. What? I got a King Tabby. I got a King Tabby. There. What the heck just happened? He was like, oh. There. What are you doing in the bathtub? What are you doing in the bathtub? Leave this guy alone. He likes alone time, okay? He likes alone time, I said. Go! Oof. One. Ooh. That slammed right in the face. So play a bit off. Actually, maybe. Maybe. But no. Yep, I need 250. I was expecting that. But I think our pig slabs have it covered. I'm sure we're gonna get even more than just 250, but we might get like 300 or something. And our health bar and our coins are like in the left hand corner, like left hand bottom corner, right there. So yeah, that's where that is. You probably already figured that out, but if you didn't, then that's okay. Since I just told. Well, now we have enough for this because we have 400. That's nice. Now, pogo fruit. That was a noise. I'm just gonna go to bed. Bye bye. Wee. Okay. Why is there so many more pogo fruits than carrots? Oh my gosh. Ow. Oh! Here, 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 here. And then here. And also here. And then you guys also. I'm sorry. What is happening? We need a 500 speedrun. Yeah, you're messing up my speedrun. You're messing up my speedrun. Go, 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 get the plorts. Oh, oh, go, 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 get the plorts. Oh, 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 go get the plorts. Mario Star. Power up. Whee! Let's get out of there. Let's go, 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 go. Give me 500, please. Give me 500. Oh, we got a lot more than 500. Well, that's cool. Okay, yeah, we will do the plort collector. Oh my gosh, get in there. And we're definitely putting a roof on you guys. Now, you're not going to escape. What? What's happening? What is happening? Leave. What's happening? What is happening? I have what? I have one honey stem. First we're going to do... Okay, we did a water here too. What is happening? Get the plorts and go. Get the plorts and go. Stop it. Ow. Stop. Oh my gosh. Why? 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 Help. Help. You're eating me. No, they were actually... actually eating me. Get out of here. Oh my gosh, I'm actually gonna die. Oh my gosh. Why? Why? Okay. Honey plot, honey plot, honey plot, honey plot. Okay. Okay, they were like all paused. They were like, hey. I don't know what just happened, but they just froze. Okay, hello. How did you get? Let's see if you survive this. see if you survive this. Whee! Now I feel bad. I know what I'm gonna do. And it's not a good or bad thing. So you could go be with all of your other slime buddies. So hope you make... No, come on. Go to your slime buddies, bro. No. Go to your slime buddies. Here. And then there's plenty of food out there, buddy. And now, I'm gonna put these blocks away. And we're gonna do a running start. Yep. And they're hungry. Let's go. Let's go get the carrots. Get the carrots and the pogo fruits. Get the carrots and the pogo fruits. Let's get the carrots and the pogo fruits. There you go, my little cats. Kitties. And these. And then the rest for you guys. Here, I'll give you food. I'm sorry. Now that I have all of these, ow! We can do that. And we can do this. Ease. Okay. Now let's do these. Pots. Go. Go. We have a few more. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're going to feed it to here. And where do these bullets even go? Like where do the bullets go? When you deploy the bullets, does this monster thing just like eat them or something? And totally disintegrate them from the whole entire universe? I would be okay with disintegrating them from the whole entire universe, but like, I don't know why. Stop it, you stupid little rock tappy largo. Go. And I have so many cat noises. Decides to come back. Cool, hopefully it's just another one of your brothers and sisters. I don't know. This. Go. Kill it. And this. Whee! Yum. 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 And yum. Nice. This is super good. So now that we have some fruit, we could just overfeed our guys. Like overfeed. Then you can get this. And then you can get some carrots. There. And then you guys can also get some carrots. Everybody's happy. So now we're gonna get a take booster and a heart wave. And to this, and to that, and to this, and to that. Now we're fully upgraded. Yay! pulse wave. That's going to be helpful from some unwanted slimes. Unwanted slimes that we keep pushing into the whole entire pool. Slimes that we push into the whole entire pool. Can we get water from here? I just want to test something. Water! You can't even get water from an ocean. Ooh, Andrew. Well, that's cool. Oh my gosh, everybody exploding. Exploding of hungriness. No. I will come and save you from your hungerness. I don't even know if that's a word, but if it is, that's a really cool word. Hungerness. I don't know. Yeah. I don't think hungerness is a word. And if it is, then sure. Why not? Come here. I will save you from your hungerness. Oh yeah, I forgot. I already saved you. Because I literally overfeeded you. I guess that's a good thing, since those cats are the only thing that didn't get a feeding. These guys. But now they did, so they're happy. Oh my gosh. That is a lot of plorts. And much more than I can hold. Oh my. Oh. What? I have to follow these in since we're going to have a lot of moolah. That's for sure. Whee! Okay, we're gonna have a lot of money. Okay. Go. By the way, I am a kid. So yeah. If you're confused about that, I'm a kid. So yeah. Cool. It's cool. Okay, let me go. Let's see. Let's go over here. Put in our boom plorts. Honey plorts. Heavy plort. And then big plorts. And now let's get some upgrades. You guys let's put like air nets on everything so they can't get out. So there's an air net on you. And let's have an air net on you. So air net, air net, air net. And what else is good? What about we just start doing everything there? Let's not do this over here. Down there. And can I get anything here? No. Okay. Cool. So now these tabby slimes are fully maxed out. Okay, that's good. So, guys, I think we're going to end the episode here. So, bye-bye. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.